This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kelly McCaskill. Welcome home. This beautifully updated South Seminole Heights home has everything you need and is more. You will be amazed by everything this home has to offer. The home boasts over 1,200 square feet. The home features an open floor plan layout with 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a separate laundry room just off the kitchen. This is your opportunity to purchase this completely move-in ready home at such an incredible value. The location exclamation mark of this home is fantastic, being so close to all the hot spots the Heights has to offer. Extremely convenient access to I-275 and MLK, 5 minutes to downtown Tampa, biking distance to Ybor, Channelside and the Riverwalk. Come see why Seminole Heights is consistently voted one of the best neighborhoods to live in Tampa. Schedule your tour today before it's too late. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly McCaskill at 813-362-7222.